Here is how we can add a new password to the Google passwords on iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So inside of the iPhone, we don't have the official Google Passwords app. Like on the Androids, you can see that in the Google Play Store, it is available, but on the iPhone, it is simply not there. Even if you look it up, it doesn't show anything. So the best way to approach it on the iPhone is through the Google Chrome web browser. Just get inside and make sure that okay, let me close it up like this and let me reopen it. So make sure you go in here, tap on the three dots and go to the settings like that. And as I said, make sure that you are signed in with the proper Google account. So you can tap it like this. You can see I'm signed in with this one, but I can also switch and use another one, right? But part of the settings, we have the passwords manager, which you are probably interested in. You need to authenticate yourself to get inside. And in there, we have the add password button. So using this, you can tap it like that and type in the site, username and password, and even some note, then click on save and have it stored in your Google account. So that is going to be accessible on the Androids or wherever else you sign in. And that's the best way to use it on the iPhone. So I hope that I was able to explain some things to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.